what's up? It's me, Tima, and I'm back with a new video. And today I kind of wanted to show you guys how I do my art hoe aesthetic makeup for Instagram. And of course, this is not the only aesthetic that I go for, but as of recently, I've really been into it, so I wanted to show you guys kind of just how I go about it. For me, it's pretty easy, and I kind of use it as my daily makeup now. I usually start off with my Doc Martens for my shoes, like those are my go-to for my outfit, and I usually go for a striped shirt as well as some high-waisted jeans or shorts. Sometimes I go for my circle glasses, but not all the time, but for this look specifically, I will be doing that for you guys. Also, if you missed my art hoe aesthetic lookbook that I did with my friend Ivan, please go ahead and check it out. I'm gonna go ahead and link that down below as well, and I might leave a little eye icon so that y'all can go ahead and click on that too. But watch the video first. So yeah, let's get started.